Hello all, in this video I am going to show you how to work on image prompts. Okay, I don't have any particular scenario to work on image prompts, so I have developed my own scenario over here. Okay, I am going to prepare an image prompt with this particular image. Okay, I am going to prepare an image prompt for this particular image. I have developed this image by copying some of item names. Like for baking, I have pasted this image, and for this beef I have pasted this particular image and all. I have developed this particular image. Okay, and for this particular image, whenever user clicks on this particular baked product, then it needs to filter this particular table with baking. If he selects beef on this particular image, then it needs to get filtered with beef, like this, based upon the user selection. Okay, this entire thing will be like a single image, and whenever user clicks on some particular area on this image, then it needs to get filtered with that particular item type. Okay, that is the scenario we are going to develop today now. Okay, let me show that how can we do that now. Go to your analytics page, click on new analysis. I have various subject areas that I have developed over here. In that, select, I'm going to select this particular sales subject area M, and now I'm going to develop a report with item type and dollars. Let me test whether I'm getting results accurately or not. Okay, let me click on these results. Now we are getting results for this. In order to develop an image prompt, navigate to this prompts tab. Here click on this new image prompt. What I have done here is I have taken a snapshot of this particular image and I have pasted it on my desktop. Let me show that to you now. This is the image. This is the snapshot of image that I have taken from that Excel sheet. Now what I need to do is I need to generate a link for this particular image. If I need to generate a link for this particular image, then I need to host it somewhere. I need to host it on my website, or if I want to host it on my OVA server itself, I need to follow a procedure to host this particular image into OVA server. In order to host this particular image into OVA server, we need to follow a procedure. We need to paste this particular image in two different locations of OVAE middleware home location, or maybe this WebLogic server locations. Okay. In order to do that, let me copy this image, and I am going to paste this image in two different locations. The first location is this one, that is C BI11G, Oracle BI1, BI Foundation, Web, App B2, REST, S_BI platform, and images. Okay, don't worry about remembering these links. Okay, I am going to give a detailed description of these locations and all under the description of this video. Okay, you will be having a blog link. This entire thing will be posted. I have pasted my image in this particular location. And I am going to paste this in this other location as well. So, you need to follow the same procedure if you want to host any kind of images. Okay, if you want to host any kind of images, and if you want to make use of that images in your OBI reports, that may be in a title view or else maybe anywhere on the dashboard and all, you need to follow the same procedure. You need to paste these images in both these locations. Okay, if you want to just host that image and generate an URL, you can independently post that image in this location only, that is in this C v11g user underscore products and this blah blah blah. Okay, you can paste the image only here. But if you want to make use of this fmap that you will be using in title view, okay, if you want to make use of fmap, then it needs to be posted in both the locations. After pasting the image, that image will be available in location, that is that image will be available with the following link, that is your system name followed by, okay, this is the link that for this particular image that is already present here, that is this US test. Fine. And I am going to generate a link for the whatever the image that I have placed now, that is item type. This is available now, but I don't know exactly. Sometimes this will not be available right at the moment. This is getting populated sometimes, and sometimes it is not getting populated. If it is not getting populated, what you need to do is after pasting this image in both the locations, okay, after pasting this particular image in both the folder locations, you need to restart all OBI servers. The moment you restart, then this image will be available. Let me test that in fmap as well. Go to criteria, run results. In this title view, you can make use of this fmap. Sorry. In this logo, fmap. See, but here it's not available. If you restart, then only it will be available. If you want to check that with any other image even, I'm going to check it with bakery 2 or bakery 3. You need to get that. I don't know why it is taking a long time. fmap images bakery 3.jpg. No, it's not getting refreshed even. Okay, I have provided this slash as extra thing over here. Let me check that now. See, now it's available. But if I test with this item type, let me verify whether it will be available here or not. ITEMTYPE. See, this item type is not getting populated over here. If you want to get that populated over there, you need to restart both. Okay, you need to restart all the OBI servers. you can observe clearly over here that this particular bakery tree is available. See, okay. But coming to this linking part, sometimes it will be available and sometimes it will not be available. As it is available as a link now, okay, I don't want to waste my time in restarting my OBS servers. I'm going to work with this. Now I just want to develop an image prompt. Go to prompts, click on new image prompt and provide an URL here for that particular image. And in caption, give it as select item type. And here I need to provide HTML image map. We need to provide a HTML image map for our particular image that we have provided. Okay, for the particular URL of the image that we have provided here, we need to provide HTML image map. This HTML image map is nothing but a HTML code where we'll be defining coordinates of our selection. That is, if you are going to place our mouse cursor over here in this particular area, it needs to select that particular area as baking. If we are going to select this particular area, then it needs to consider that particular area as beef. If you are going to select this particular area, okay, in this we will be mapping this entire area. Let us say it is like this rectangular region. If we are going to place our mouse in this entire rectangular region, then it will be considering this particular rectangular region as beverages, like that. Okay, in order to do that, we do have a simple online tool for that. That is this image map generator. Okay, just upload or whatever the particular image we need to generate image map, and after that here we need to click on this add area button. If it is like rectangular selection, the easy way is select a coordinate, click this here once and click on the other corner once, so that it will pop. It is going to treat that particular area as rectangle. And for this beef, I'm sorry, select it here and the other corner. Okay, it's going to treat this region as rectangle. And for the other selection, what we need to do is we need to click on add area again, click on this particular corner, and here I want a polygon. Okay, here this is polygon selection. After completing, okay, just while selecting polygons, just be careful. Why? Because if you are going to click on somewhere other else, sometimes wrong coordinates will get generated. Just keep watching whether how coordinates are getting generated over here. Okay, here each and every area is nothing but an area selection. Okay. I just tried with this polygon. Why? Because I just want to show you how to select if you are using something like maps, okay, like world map. If you want to select Asia Pacific, USC and all, then you need to draw polygons there, right? So that is the reason why I'm showing how to draw polygons even. And for all the remaining items, I'm drawing rectangles only. This is rectangular selection. Click on add area again, draw a rectangular selection for deserts, one more rectangular selection for seafood, Click on add area and one more rectangular selection for vegetables. Now I have drawn the selection areas for all the items. Now my code is also ready over here. Copy this particular code and paste it over here. After pasting the code, just click on extract image map from HTML. See, now our code, based upon our code and based upon the tags that are provided, whether it is rectangular, polygon and the coordinates, it has treated, and it's asking for titles for that particular corresponding areas. Now I need to provide titles. Baking. The order is very important here because as we started our selection from left to right, the coordinates got generated from top to bottom over here. That is the reason why I am using this Excel sheet for in order so that I will not miss any order over here. And for beverages and for these desserts, and finally vegetables. And this column is nothing but the column that it needs to filter, and here we need to provide logical column names. The logical column name for this particular thing is item type. Okay, so we need to provide logical column name as item type. As we are going to filter only for item type, we will be providing that particular column only. If you want to filter multiple columns with some multiple selected areas, then you can even change that particular column name even, and no issues with that. And here we need to provide the value for that particular value, or based upon what value we need to filter for selecting this particular area. We need to filter baking only, so we will be providing the corresponding values even. As I am going to use the same values for area, title and value, I am just copying and paste them over there. Click on OK. Now we can see carefully here, like the moment I place my mouse cursor over here on this baked item, it is displaying like baking. If I place it on here, it is displaying like beef. If I place it on here, it is displaying like beverage. Okay, if you want to test this, we have a preview button over here. Click on this preview, and here we can verify our results whether this image prompt is working perfectly or not. Okay, just click on this baking. It will get filtered with baking. Click on this once again and just select this beverage. The moment to select that beverage, it will get filtered with beverage. Okay, by this we can make use of these image prompts. If you use these image prompts in dashboard, then it will be very convenient for you to filter all the reports that are present under dashboards even. I hope this video will be helpful for everyone. If you like this video, just click on subscribe to this channel, and we'll be adding more and more new features, and we'll be discussing about more and more new features in our coming sessions. Okay, thank you.